have a Miller Syncrowave 350. We have it hooked up to 220 volt single phase power. We're going to run it and show you that it works. It comes with a Bernard cooler, and it comes with two gas regulators. It does not come with the tank. It also comes with a foot pedal, a ground clamp, and a TIG gun. TIG welder. I don't know how to TIG weld, but I will just show you the spark on this aluminum plate here. And as you hit the foot pedal, if you go down on the foot pedal, you'll see the amperage go up. So you want to look at this amperage, and I'll do the same thing, and you'll be able to see the amps go up on it. Okay, that is the Miller Syncrowave 350 welder.